Steps at Go is a fitness rewarding program that basically rewards you for every step that you take. With every 1,000 steps that you take, you get 1 coin. And as you collect the coins, you can go to our bazaar and redeem products and offers. We have made some brand tie-ups with Talwalkars, with Boat, with Xiaomi, and different big brands as well. So, that's the entire crux of the application. But around this, there are other features like, the social aspect of it and, the fitness aspect of it. So it's a fitness rewarding app in short. So we have faced, issues when it comes to front end and the back end. But we chose our stack very, after doing a lot of in-depth analysis. And we decided that we want to control the infrastructure. We want to make it in a way that we want it to be. So we decided to, build it up, build ground up. And right from front end to back end, we have one single stack, which makes it easier for us to, build stuff. So we started with a monolith for our backend, and now we are at a stage where we have incorporated microservices, and now we are planning to shift towards Kubernetes and the scalable technologies which are there. So we are using Helm charts with Kubernetes, etc., to build up the microservices and scale it up to handle millions of users. So we have nearly right now at this point in time 4.2 million users. So to handle such a scale, to handle those many requests at any given point in time, it's easier to manage it at DigitalOcean at this point. First, the simplicity and the control of the infrastructure. So we wanted to basically just spin up some VMs and get it started. Plus, the pricing is one of the biggest factors. Being in startup, pricing is one of the biggest factors that we think about. So DigitalOcean is relatively, much better in terms of pricing, especially in terms of network as well. So that was one of the biggest factors we chose DigitalOcean for. There are different spectrum when it comes to different cloud service providers, and DigitalOcean fits in the sweet spot. To get started, all you need to do is just spawn a few VMs and get your product out there, build some APIs and just roll it out, like spawn a load balancer or something. So it's easier to manage and control at the very start, and you don't have to build a microservice based very fancy architecture. You can just take the product out immediately, for which I think DigitalOcean fits in perfectly.